Smrithi, are you there? Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yes, all ready. Yep. So I am going to have Smrithi on the spotlight, and your story is going to be Raindrop. Ah, the small raindrop. Okay, the floor is yours, please.
In this moment of uncertainty and fear of virus, I'm here to narrate a story of a small raindrop which will bring smile and laughter. Good evening, all. I'm Smrithi. I'm going to tell a story of a small raindrop. I am 9 years old and I am 5th grade. Okay. One warm autumn morning, the tiny raindrop was woken up by the bright, shining sun. All these days, he was sleeping peacefully in a thick, wrapped cloud. He was very full of nervous and excitement, just like all of us crying during our first day of our school. He was also upset. He was asking to God again and again, "What have you planned for me? Will I fall on a lotus flower? I will be safe, or I will be fall on a sand and you will make it a clay, or what will happen to me?" He was asking this again and again. When he was wondering all these, a huge storm which pushed away to the mountain, over the mountain, down to the earth. He was trembled with fear and crying, "Oh no, what is going to happen? I'm going to mix with this ocean and again evaporate. Oh no." He thinks God has lost yours. But God had other plans. To all his surprise, God, he fall. Oyster was open. He fall on the oyster and get locked. Just like all of us sitting and get locked at home in this virus and pandemic. After many years, a beautiful pearl which opened, which we will adore and admire. So friends, be positive in this pandemic and try to help our parents and elders at home. So friends, think about pray the welfare of the world. Thank you.
It was very nice and cute. And I've heard this story in a form of a poem, but it was very cute when she narrated it.
Yes. It is a poem.
It explained the meaning.
Right. Yes, it is a poem.
Yeah, I got it when I was in 5th grade.
Yes. In fact, she wanted to narrate a Hindi poem. Are you ready with the Hindi poem, Smrithi? You wanted to say the Hindi poem?
Ma'am, it is Hindi poem. I narrated in English.
No, do you know the Hindi poem?
No.
Okay, no problem. For the benefit of everyone, you narrated it in English. So nice. Thank you so much, Smrithi. Hope you all liked it. The feedback session is open for 2 minutes.
I still have the old the little raindrop. I still have that poem book.
Good. So it's one of the favorite stories. Okay, good. Great. So any other feedbacks?
Really nice.
Super. They're getting some reaction. Super. So yes, so let's show our appreciation to Smrithi's beautiful, lovely story. Yeah, we're getting it. Thank you so much for audience for being so good and so encouraging.
It was so great that you could say this amazing story at your age.
Yeah, see, young storyteller, encouraging other young storyteller. Very nice, super. So good. So thank you so much, what happened? Suddenly it stopped. Thank you so much, dear, for sharing the story. And I am just quickly going to, just give me 2 seconds and I'm going to share your screen. Yep. Yes. So we had Smrithi, our young storyteller, who had performed the Raindrop story for us today. Thank you so much.